Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to sell on Spocket. Now, I know you might be wondering why I'm talking about this. Well, it's because Spocket is a great platform for selling products online. It's easy to use, and it gives you access to a wide variety of products. So, if you're looking to start an online business or you're just looking to add some new products to your existing store, then Spocket is a great option. But before we get into the details of how to sell on Spocket, let's talk about what Spocket is and how it works. What is Spocket? Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. This means that you can sell products without having to carry any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order on your store, Spocket will automatically place the order with the supplier. The supplier will then ship the product directly to the customer. How does Spocket work? There are 3 steps to selling on Spocket. Sign up for a Spocket account. Choose the products you want to sell. Add the products to your store. Once you've done these 3 steps, you're ready to start selling on Spocket. What are the benefits of selling on Spocket? There are a number of benefits to selling on Spocket. Here are a few of the most important. No inventory. You don't have to carry any inventory yourself, so you don't have to worry about storage or shipping costs. Wide variety of products. You can choose from a wide variety of products, so you're sure to find something that your customers will love. Easy to use. Spocket is very easy to use, even if you're not a tech whiz. Low cost. Spocket is a very affordable platform, especially when compared to other dropshipping options. How to sell on Spocket. Now that we've covered the basics of Spocket, let's talk about how to actually sell on the platform. Step 1. Sign up for a Spocket account. The first step is to sign up for a Spocket account. You can do this by going to the Spocket website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you've clicked on the Sign Up button, you'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. After you've provided your information, you'll be able to create your Spocket account. Step 2. Choose the products you want to sell. Once you've created your Spocket account, you can start browsing the products that you want to sell. Spocket has a wide variety of products to choose from, so you're sure to find something that your customers will love. When you're choosing products to sell, be sure to consider the following factors: the quality of the product, the price of the product, the shipping time for the product, the return policy for the product. Once you've found some products that you're interested in, you can add them to your cart. Step 3. Add the products to your store. Once you've added the products you want to sell to your cart, you can add them to your store. There are 2 ways to add products to your store. You can use the Spocket app. You can use the Spocket API. If you're using the Spocket app, simply click on the Add to Store button. If you're using the Spocket API, you'll need to follow the instructions on the Spocket website. Once you've added the products to your store, you're ready to start selling. Additional tips for selling on Spocket. Here are a few additional tips for selling on Spocket. Choose a niche. Don't try to sell everything. Instead, focus on a specific niche. This will help you to attract the right customers and build a strong brand. Do your research. Before you start selling a product, do your research to make sure that there is a demand for it. Provide high-quality customer service. Make sure that you're providing excellent customer service to your customers. This will help you to build trust and repeat business. Promote your store. Once you've started selling on Spocket, be sure to promote your store on social media and other online channels. Selling on Spocket is a great way to start an online business or to add new products to your existing store. By following the tips in this article, you can be successful in selling on Spocket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.